your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hello folks, Larry here, and welcome back to Mail Call. Let's get right into it. Got a few packages to unload. You ready? I don't know. This comes from time-sensitive material, Dallas warehouse. Okay. I don't know what this is. Well, this is the name, Mr. Announcer.
Webson Gill.
So let's look in the box and we'll start from there. Cardboard sleeve, the box sides right out, and it's really nicely done with the name. And same thing's done on the pen case. Kind of leatherette type finish. Very, very nice presentation. Let's look inside and see what's in it. Wow. Very cool. A pen with a card. A gift enclosed. A card. Very interesting. $25 voucher off your next purchase. Well, this was sent out for me for review. And here's the pen. Wooden barrel. With the name is nicely engraved on the clip, metal clip, twist off cap, and I will do a full review on this just to show you this pen. Interesting. Alright, well this is going to be interesting, and that's all there is to this, but to the people out there at Gill, thank you for sending me this pen for review. So what do y'all think about this pen so far? Leave your comments below. It's going to be interesting. Alright, we'll set that aside. Alright, now number 2. Now this comes from Fountain Pen Revolution. I know what this is. And it's 2 more of Kevin's from Fountain Pen Revolution inks. You have the
Cinnamon.
And then you have the
Classic Black.
And the name of this pen from Fountain Pen Revolution is the, what was that, Mr. Announcer? Starts with the T.
Treveni.
Very good. This is the big brother, Treveni. You did a good job, Mr. Announcer.
Thank you.
You get an A for breathing.
Oh, yes, good, yes. Good.
So, these are 2 more of the latest, newest inks from Fountain Pen Revolution. So that's going to be fun, right? Then I'm going to fill this here pen with this here ink, and we're going to give it a test run. So that's going to be coming up very soon. Plus we have that full line of Birmingham inks to still have to get done. So let's see, we're going to get this and this. Put that in trash. Now we got one more right here in this here box. I think I know what this is. I hope this is what I think it is. This comes from Federalist Pens in Jaffa. The company Jaffa has mailed it out, but I bought this through Federalist Pens. So here we go. What do you think it is?
Well, my first guess would be it might be a pen.
Might be.
Or maybe plural.
I don't know. Maybe one big pen. So here's the box. No, it's just one pen in a
Oh,
big
paper,
box.
okay.
Yeah, in a big box. And you know, Yapa always does an amazing job when they do their packing. So you never have to worry. If you're buying something through Federalist Pens and it comes from Yapa, you know it's going to be packaged well. And it's going to get to you in time so you can enjoy this pen for the holidays, like Thanksgiving, Christmas, Valentine's. All right. And this is the Conklin Courage. You know, a while back I did the review on the Conklin Courage, the white one, wasn't it? Remember that one?
I think so, yes.
So, I liked it so much, and that had a fine nib, I believe. So, I liked it so much, I gave Frank a call and said, you know what, Frank? I have to have this black one next. So, let's open it up. Okay. And I'll let you do the honors.
Let's see. Conklin, established 1898. Courage. This is number 856 of 1898 pens.
Okay, and the nib, what does it say there?
It says Courage Limited Edition Graphite Medium.
Yes, yeah, this is the medium. So I have the fine, this is the medium, and the next one is going to be the broad. So let's get this little jewel out of the box. We'll just pull out the sleeve here. All right, let's get this sucker out. Right, there it is. All right. I do like that. I do like the box design. I think it's pretty cool. Conklin did a really good job on these pens. At least I think they did. Beautiful Conklin pen case. Big, sturdy cardboard with the Conklin name embedded in the top of the box. So let's open this jewel up. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. And that's all you get is the cards. Yay. So this is the one I have now. Now let's see, the one I got is, look at that beautiful pen. Look at that. Isn't that something? That is gorgeous. And it comes with a bottle of ink. And another pen for your lapel or your cap. I usually put them on my cap, and the bottle of ink. And this probably black as well. I do like their ink as well. Very nice. And is anything in here? Let's make sure. $10,000. No, not really. Cracker Jacks. Here's the pen. Isn't that beautiful? That is one gorgeous fountain pen. There's that Conklin rocker right there going on. Love it.
Am I seeing sparkles?
I think that's just a light hitting it. Let's see. You seen this? I don't see it sparkle.
Oh, okay. It was just a small
right in there.
point there. Yeah.
Yeah. It's that resin in there. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, and beautiful. All right, and we will be doing a review on this very, very soon, my friend. Put all this back in there because I will lose it. Okay. So, thank you, Frank from Federalist Pens. Thank you, Yapa. You guys rock, okay? You heard it first at Larry's Fountain Pens. That's right. Love Conklin brand, and I'm so glad Yapa has it. So we'll put this aside. Now, what I'd like to do right this very minute is tell you guys, first of all, be safe. That virus is really bad here in Tarrant County. It's starting to get bad. And even Mr. Announcer's concerned, aren't you, Mr. Announcer?
Yes, we're losing people at the school each day.
Yeah, his school's getting pretty much infected. Teachers are dropping left and right now. Kids in his classroom, kids in his school, high school kids, and they're even having a football game. That's weird. Elementary school, so will they go back to school after this Thanksgiving? Or will they go virtual? I don't know. So let's just hope that Mr. Announcer doesn't get it. Because if Mr. Announcer gets it, I get it. And if I get it, Alan will get it. And if Alan gets it, we're all done, right? Pretty much. Oh, well, we'll do our last farewell. Ta-da! All right, folks. Hey, that's going to do today on my mail call. Until next time, stay healthy, stay at the distance, wear the mask, wash those hands, and as always, please don't text and drive. Bye-bye.